Hey, it's me, Zay for People Brox, the British Tech Guru. This is the board that I built, or platform that I built to put inside the motorhome. And I was originally not going to paint this. I was going to leave it as it was, but since Temporary Solutions have got a habit of hanging around for a long time, I'm going to paint it. And that means I'm going to sand it so that I don't catch myself on any of the splinters, of which there are a lot. Because this was, as I said, a temporary solution. And why won't that start? A temporary solution that, well, you know how temporary solutions become long-term. Okay. Why does that not want to start? Plug it in the other way around. Are you listening? Now let's do this edge. Okay. Oh. Okay. Good. Right, let's see where we are now. Okay, that's all nice and smooth. A couple of splinters there, but I don't worry about those. Put this the other way around. Then get this end. And we'll see where we're going from there. Okay. That's enough of the sanding. Now I want to paint it. So I have some white latex paint, and I have a paintbrush that is a little bit too wide for the paint. So what we're going to do is we're going to simply cut it down. It's just a cheap foam brush from the dollar store. I bought a pack of, I don't know how many was in the pack, but this does not need to be quite so wide. There we go. That's narrow enough now. And I can open my paint can. I don't know whether you can see it. I hope you can. I'm going to put my paint can down there. And this is, ow, damn. This is live and unscripted, including the cursing. Okay. Unusual that a screw wouldn't do it. Let's see what we can do. Yes, it is being a challenge. I need a different screw or something like that, so I'm going to pause while I grab another screw. Okay, well, it appears I wasn't recording, so let's just hope that I'm recording something now. Anyway, as I was saying, I'm going to paint this wood now. I can start by painting the underside because that is going to be the bit in contact with the ground, or rather the floor. So let me see if I can get this paint can open. There we go. Oh, come on. There we are. We'll give it a little bit of a stir. Oh my, that's like porridge. Oh yes. That needs a good old stir. That's been sitting. Definitely a lot better now. Okay. I'd say that's probably good enough. Okay. I'll paint this. And I'm going to use the same brush when it comes to painting the floor. And the floor and this are both going to have to dry before I can do anything. So I'm going to pause this while I finish the painting, because that's going to be boring. I've just painted it, so that looks pretty good now. Oh, I just see a spot I've got to touch up. So let me just touch that bit up. There we go. So I've just painted the bottom of the stand. That will now dry, and I'll go and paint the floor now. Paint the floor and where I've replaced the floor, and the backing where I've replaced that. Then when that is dry and the other thing is dry, I'll be able to turn this over and paint the other side. I don't think the floor will have fully cured, so I'm probably going to paint this the other side of this next week, and then it'll be another week before I get to the rest of to removing the partition and whatnot. It's going to take a little time because it's winter, of course. And of course, inside the motorhome, I have just painted the new section that I put in by the missing section, the black area. I have painted the side piece, and I have painted not just that bit of floor, but where the mold had stained the floor, I have painted that as well. So we'll have to see when this all dries, and it should be dry by next weekend. And next weekend I'll probably paint the other side of the platform, leave that to dry. Then I shall be able to use this area probably the following weekend.